you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an ultimate clean with me where I'm going to take you through quite a few different rooms in my house that really need some attention. So the kitchen isn't too bad today. I did a good clean of it yesterday, so we'll just have a little bit of tidying up there to do. But we got to do the bathroom. It's pretty gross in the bathroom. It needs a full clean. There's tons of clothes there everywhere. And we have to do the spare bedroom. I need to get some laundry folded. We have to do the oh my god, like I can't even talk today. We have to do the dining area as well as the living room, and then if we have time, we're gonna hit my master bedroom where I pretty much just need to make the bed and like pick up things off the floor, that sort of thing. And then if we have some time, we will get down to the basement where it is really gross. So my daycare down there, I haven't cleaned up after it in a couple of days because I wanted to film this video, so it is a bomb. But without further ado, let's just get right on into the video.
Okay, so I'm just showing you some quick before shots here. As you can see, there's stuff pretty much everywhere. The kitchen's not too bad, like I was saying, but the bathroom definitely needs some attention. Look at all those clothes there. And our spare room has not been touched in a while. So just going to be picking up here, and yeah, let's get started with some motivation for you guys. I'm going to start in the kitchen, which is where I typically start, and I'm just going to be loading up the dishes. I always like to start with that first because I feel like that makes your whole kitchen look a lot better when you don't have a sink full of dirty dishes.
Who knows what you think about me? And I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could. I don't know how or what I could have done better. Baby, I really tried the best I could. I can't stop time for you. Stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I've played my part for nothing.
So now I'm going to move on into my dining room, and basically my table was covered in stuff that just needed to be moved to other places. And then I have some laundry to fold as well. So I'm getting all my laundry together. Some of it has to go downstairs and be washed yet, and some of it has to be folded. So we're going to do a quick little folding montage here as well, and hopefully give you guys some motivation if you need to do some laundry today too. First of all, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down my table so that I can fold clean laundry on it, because you don't want to fold clean laundry on a dirty table, obviously. So going ahead and finishing that first, and then I'm going to go ahead and start with the laundry.
And I did it all for you, for you. Yeah, we've been through this, I'm not the one you need right now. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could. The best I could. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I don't wanna be with somebody who's never gonna be around for me, around for me. I'm running out of energy, I realize you'll never be the one for me. I can't stop time for you. Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now. I don't need this right now. Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now, right now, right now.
And then I just wanted to show you guys really quickly here a little snapshot of me cleaning off my kitchen table chairs. They get pretty gross with having a daycare, as you can imagine, all these like 2- and 3-year-olds eating, and food just spills off onto it. And all I'm using here is water and a cloth. This fiber. I'm not sure what it is, this fabric, but it comes off pretty easily. So I'm very happy about that. And then I'm going to go ahead and start vacuuming. And then I will also be mopping as well. I just got a new steam mop and I absolutely love it. And my mom found it for me at a garage sale for $10. Actually, I think it was $5 and it was new in the box and everything. So I was very, very happy about that because I'd been wanting a steam mop for a while. I always used to use the Lysol Swiffer, not the wet jet, but just the wet pads. And I mean, I love them, but they're just such harmful chemicals in them. So I don't typically love that. So I was looking for a steam mop and they are so expensive. So I was so happy when she told me that she found me this one and it works great. So let me know in the comments down below how you clean your floors.
Right, so 1, 2, 3. I can't stop time for you. 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 Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now. I don't need this.
Okay, so now we are moving on into the living room where I pretty much just need to pick up here. As you guys know, I've got a daycare and even just my little guy on his own can create quite a huge mess. So typically my daycare is held downstairs, but once it starts to get later on in the day and parents are starting to pick their kids up, around that 5 o'clock mark, I need to start making dinner for my family. So I bring the kids up here and I can be in the kitchen, which is right there, and I can still watch them. So they come upstairs and make a mess up here. So it's not typically that bad because they aren't there for that long, but it definitely needs to be picked up. And then I'm actually going to show you guys in a minute here. I need to clean up my bookshelves and I had a bunch of stuff on there. I was filming some BookTube videos earlier. So I had, if you guys don't know, I have another channel where I talk about books. So I had a bunch of books that I needed to put away. And I also just needed to go ahead and dust my shelves. It had been a while since I had dusted them and I was starting to see some. I really love having the white shelves because you don't see as much dust. When I used to have a dark brown shelf, I had to dust it almost every other day because it was just gross. So I love having the white shelves, but it was time for sure.
Where you move, make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know, you will always be the. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough.
Okay, so now we are moving on into my spare bedroom, and I don't think I've actually shown myself cleaning my spare bedroom ever on my channel before, but it definitely needed some attention. I have a little girl that comes to my daycare who takes her naps in here, so that's why there's a whole bunch of toys. She's actually a little bit older. She's 4.5 and she still naps. So, but some days she doesn't nap and she just kind of has a quiet time. So that's why I've got some books in there for her, and also some soft toys in there, and so she can kind of just do whatever. If she wants to just read or just look at her books and play with her animals quietly, that's totally fine. But 9 times out of 10, she ends up falling asleep, and she's a pretty good napper for being that age. So I really hope my son naps at that age, but I don't think he will. He's already trying to stop napping on me. So I just wanted to go ahead and make her bed and get all her animals and her blanket there ready for her. And also I had to do a quick cleanup of the closet because this is where my boyfriend keeps all his stuff, and he is not nearly as much of a clean freak as I am, and it just drives me insane whenever I come past here, and it is just a big mess. I know I might get comments about me like cleaning up his area and he should be doing that himself, but the fact of the matter is he doesn't really care if it's a mess or not, and I do. So every once in a while I'll come in here and straighten it out, and just putting that laundry away, of course. And now we are moving into my bedroom, and I unfortunately have to move poor Priya again. She's always laying on my bed whenever I want to come in here and make it. Poor little thing. She's always just like, what is going on, Mom? What are you doing to me? So yeah, just in here going to make up my bed and then pick everything up. And there's not really a whole lot to do in here, so that's at least one good thing.
Be enough for you, cause you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel like, I said you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel, I know, you will always be the one, oh, man. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart, I'm waiting here for you, yeah, you, yeah, I know, you will always be the, oh, yeah, I know, you will always be the, oh, yeah, I know, you will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart, I'm waiting here for you, yeah, you, yeah, I know, you will always be the, about to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know, about to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
So now is the part of the video which is usually my favorite to film and to watch because I love seeing messy befores and a huge transformation to show the clean after. So that's what we're doing here. I'm just going through and showing you guys each room and how clean it looks now. And I hope I gave you so much motivation in watching this video.
Let's go, let's be free.
Alright, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me for my ultimate clean with me video. Let me know in the comments down below what I inspired you to clean. And I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!